Hi first graders, welcome back to math class with Miss Six. Today is Wednesday, and today we're going to solve number sentences. So at the top I said I can solve number sentences, and that's our vocabulary word, number sentences. Now we know that sentences, when we're reading a book, right, they have a capital letter, they have a period, there's letters that make up words in the sentence. But in math, we have number sentences. So they're going to have numbers and symbols, kind of like punctuation marks, but they're a little bit different. So we have addition number sentences, and that's when we put numbers together. We will end up having more. And we always do this sign for adding, addition, because you start with some, and then you add more, and we have the plus sign. For subtraction, that is when we take away, we will have less. So we use the minus sign. If you put your finger out, that's what a minus sign looks like. And I always do this, subtraction. We're taking away. So for addition, we're going to put things together. We'll have more, so show me the sign for adding. Yes, the plus sign. And now subtraction, we're taking away. So show me the sign for subtraction. Minus sign, take away. Good job. So let's look at this number sentence that I made up. And we're going to see if it's adding or subtracting. So this is just kind of a funny number sentence. I said, Miss Six plus coffee equals heart eyes, and I now have coffee. So am I adding or am I subtracting? Well, I can tell by the plus sign we were adding, and then if I look over here after the equal sign, I have more. So yes, I'm adding. Let's look at this one. Miss Six minus coffee equals sad. So if I had a cup of coffee and somebody took it away from me, that would make me really sad. And do I have any coffee anymore? No. So that would be subtracting, taking away. Okay, and let's look back and review some of the things we've already learned about adding and subtracting. So if you remember about addition, I was telling you a long time ago that I had a dream. I went to Chick-fil-A, and then I saw some dinosaurs. Then there were 4 T-Rex. Surprisingly, I saw even more T-Rex. And then I saw these dinosaurs, the long necks. 2 of them. So how many dinosaurs did I see in total? So we're going to, I see my plus signs. If I keep having more and more and more, that means I need to add to count them all up. So I can draw pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1, 2, plus 1, 2. And to make my number sentence, I need to write the numbers. That makes sense, right? Number sentence, numbers. 4 plus 2 plus 2 equals, and then how can I find out how many this equals? All together, how many dinosaurs did I see? Well, I'm going to need to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that equals 8. We just counted them all up. So let's look at this problem right here. 23, bigger number, plus 4. So it's going to take me too long to draw 23 dinosaurs. So remember we talked about our base 10 blocks. The sticks represent 10 little blocks. Let me show you by drawing this out. Okay, get my marker. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm just drawing a line just because that's quicker. But that's 10 X's put into a group. So every stick is 10 X's put into a group. So if I draw a stick, you already know that that equals how many? 10. So I have 10 and 20. Oop, that was a crazy line. And then 21, 22, 23. And I want us to get used to drawing the sticks in our X's because it's going to make it easier for us when we have big numbers like 23. And then we're going to add how many? 4. So I need to draw 4 X's. And then when we're adding, we're going to count them all together. So I already know this is 23, right? So let's make it easier on ourselves. 23, 24, we can just count on. 25, 26, 27. So that equals 27. That would be your answer to that one. Okay. And now when I was talking about subtraction, I gave you the example of Miss Six going to McDonald's and getting a chicken nugget meal. So pretend I had 12 chicken nuggets, and guess what? I was being clumsy and I dropped 8. So I'm subtracting. I lost those because you can't eat chicken nuggets off the floor. So when I'm subtracting, I draw my 12 nuggets. But then, do I draw 8 more? Well, I didn't get more. I actually took away. So this 8, we're going to X out 8 chicken nuggets. There we go. I X'd out 8 chicken nuggets. And then I need to see how many did Miss Six have left over. I had 1, 2, 3, 4 chicken nuggets left over. And that's how we subtract. So your assignment is on Google Forms, and we're doing everything we just talked about in this video. We're talking about adding, subtracting, and how we do that, and how we can get our answers. Thank y'all for watching, and I can't wait to see your finished assignment, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.